Welcome back to the Investing for Beginners community. I'm your host, Johnny. In today's video, I'm giving you another update on the $5 a day challenge, Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. Guys, I'm investing $5 into this company every single day, okay? Every day since January of this year. When it's up, I put 5 in. When it's down, I put 5 in. We're going to go over why I'm doing this, my strategies, and how I'm taking advantage of the stock market this year. All that I ask is that you smash that like button and get us to 50 likes on this video, and subscribe if you are new to this channel. Now guys, Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF does track the main market. Now, check this out. After 5 years, they're up 53%, and their max life 200%. Imagine buying this company in 2011 for $25. It's now worth $77. You could have tripled your money. And now, if you're thinking, well, 25 to 77, oh, woo-hoo, you made 50 bucks. Yes, guys, that's $50 per share. Now multiply that by 5, 10, 20, 100, 1,000 shares, and that's when we get into the big bucks. Now, my thought process on this for the year 2024 was to showcase how $5 can literally compound over time to where one day you blink and you have an insane amount of money in your account. Now, why are we doing this? Why not just put, say, what are we at right now? $176. Why not just put $176 or $200 in it and just forget about it? Why do the $5 a day reinvestments? Well, it's simple, okay? And this is the main point of the challenge. The main point here is to showcase the effects of averaging down with the market, buying strategically every single day, no matter what is happening. So in the long run, you will have total return of more than what the market is showcasing. The market here is up 8 cents, or about 0.1, but we're up 1%. Same as if the market were to go down. Now, if the market were to go down slightly here, and we're at 75, we would have a negative equity at 66, and we would actually have a negative return. So over year to date, we have been buying every single day, whether it's up or whether it goes down. Now, you could say when it's down at its lowest, you would want to save those $5 at the high points, save them for the low points. Now, yes, and we may do this in another challenge to showcase how much more total return we can actually get over time. But this is showcasing how simply putting $5 a day every single day can make a huge difference over time in building your wealth. Remember, this is a Investing for Beginners channel. And if you are new to investing, this is a great way to jumpstart your Robinhood portfolio. Now, I believe 2 episodes back, episode 429 or 430, I showcase the portfolio, the public trading account, what exactly is in that account, how we went from literally the $5 at the beginning of January 1st, and we are now over $1,500 in 45 days. Check that video out. I'll leave a card up above. Now, back to what we're doing here. Now, reoccurring investments. What are they? Why are we doing them? Okay. The point is, we are going to be putting $5 every day into this company. Now, with Robinhood, you can buy fractional shares. So you don't need to buy one share for $77. You don't need $77 to buy this. I can literally buy $1, I believe, of this share in dollar format. Okay, say we do $5, you will get 0.06464 of a share. Okay, you'll get a fraction of this amount. You'll also get a fraction of the their appreciation, a fraction of their depreciation, and a fraction of their dividend if they have one. If you want to know more about dividends, I have a dividend playlist I'll link above titled Dividends, Dividends, Dividends. And I have so many videos showcasing how you can do dividend capturing strategies, get dividends to put your money into companies that pay out dividends, how you can get paid monthly, and even we can get monthly and quarterly payouts from those companies. So definitely check out that playlist above. Now, Schwab US dividend here, our average paid price right now is $76.53. The current price is $77.34. Okay, our average cost is $76.52. And the total is $77.36. That's why we have almost a $2 return or a 1% increase on our return on investment. Now, with that said, your first order was on December 29th because there was no January 1st. There was only a January 2nd. So I did jumpstart this with $5 at a price of $76.01. So this company used to be at $76.01. Thus, that average cost, because I've been buying it as it's been going up. Now, if I would have bought $100 or $200 at $76.01, then I would definitely be up a heck of a lot more than only $1 or $2. Now, it says you invested $100 last month and $165 or 2.16 shares since your first order. So I put $100 in it last month of January, and this month it looks like I put in $165. Not sure exactly how that works out, but that's exactly what it's saying. I have 2.16 shares. And remember, guys, look, this is what we started with. We started with 0.064 of a share. Now, it says we'll invest $1,250 in our own money by December 29th of this year. So that'll be exactly 1 full year of investing in this company. $1,250 is quite a bit. And that's not accounting for the possible appreciation. This year, they didn't appreciate by much. It looks like less than 1%. But in 5 years' time, they appreciate over 53%. That means they went from $50 to $75. Now, with that said, if I can have $1,200 in here at the end of the year and it goes up 50%, that's a significant amount. That's an extra $600 on top of the $1,200 that I put in. Plus any dividends that they possibly pay out. Right here, 30-day dividend yield is 3.5%. So in the last 2 months, in January and February, I should be getting dividends from this company as well. Now, they do have a small expense ratio, which is less than a fraction of it's 0.6, okay, it's 6%. And as you can see, guys, I have literally been buying recurring investments every single day, guys, okay? Putting my money where my mouth is. We're talking about it because I'm doing it right now. And it's really cool to see the account grow. One day it failed right here, so I had to go in and manually buy it with $5, okay? That's how dedicated I was. I was like, oh, it failed. I think I had like $8 or $10 in the cash balance, and it wouldn't fill it. So I had to literally have like a minimum of $25 or so, like $20 or $25 in it at all times, just so that I make sure that it keeps doing the recurring investment, or it'll fail by saying that there was not enough buying power. Even though there was enough buying power, I think, like I said, it was like $8 or $10, but it wouldn't even buy me $5 worth for whatever reason. So make sure you have at least $15, $20 in there. I say about $20. Yeah, I've been doing $5 every single day, and it is definitely growing our portfolio nicely. So if you guys enjoyed the video, definitely smash that like button for me. I appreciate it. And subscribe if you haven't already. We talk about swing trades and day trades. I talk about mostly monthly paying stocks. So you can make money in your sleep, because what? Money never sleeps, guys. So why not make money while you're sleeping? That's like our new motto here, okay? So definitely check out these other videos that I linked above. Get involved with the community. And don't forget to sign up with Moomoo. You can get 8% on your uninvested cash and up to 15 free shares. Even companies like Apple and Tesla, which are already at $180 to $200. Imagine signing up right now with the link in the description below and getting one free share of Tesla at $200. Let that settle, and you can then take that money out and go do whatever you want with it. Take your family out on a trip, buy a nice dinner or some shoes, or you can actually start your investing journey, take that money, sell it, and then start putting it into other stocks to make you more money. Hold out on Tesla if you want as well, because Tesla is going to be going up. Whatever you do, check out the link below. Start your investing journey today. You can't go wrong. You get free money when you sign up and 8% on uninvested cash. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you tomorrow in the next one.